Good morning. It's been a minute, it's been a while, but welcome to the vlog for today. Today is MK's birthday party. It's not his actual birthday. His birthday was on Thursday, being August the 12th. Today is Sunday, being August August 15th, I believe. So, but we're just, trying to host a little bit get together, and I decided to vlog so that I can have a memory of today. I still have a lot to do, but hopefully I'll get it all done before the birthday starts. Say hi.
Hi.
Birthday boy. What? Is it your birthday?
Yes.
How old are you?
4 years.
You're 4 years?
Yeah.
Good job. And Snow wants to say hi with food in his mouth. Yeah, with food in his mouth. Okay, Sky, you want to say hi to the vlog? Hi. How are you, Sky?
Hi. Hi.
Okay, so to-do list. Get the cake, get the decors. The birthday party is much later in the evening, so I'll go to Party City and figure that out. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog the whole thing, give MK his photo shoot, clean the house completely from head to toe, do fruit salad, and yes, that's about it. So if you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. I'll give you a minute to do so. Please make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so each time I upload a video you get notified, and let's get right on into the video. So, about to leave. The kids are already bundled up in the car. We're about to go get MK's cake and some decor for his birthday. So we're about to go to Party City. Stop shouting, please. We're about to go to Party City, then Sam's Club, then Target, and hopefully we'll be done. We're trying to get some decorations, balloons, and then we'll get MK's cake. So yeah, see you. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog with the three of them inside. If I'm not able to do that, then I'll see you when I get home. Okay. So I just wanted to give you guys a little quick update, right? Things never go as planned. I'm back home. I ended up just going to go get MK's cake and doing a little bit of shopping, because when I got to the place where I ordered his cake, my tire was flat. And then I went to put air in it, only for me to find out that the tire was punctured with a screw. So they went, and because of the place where it was punctured, they said they were not going to be able to patch it or do any work on it unless I replace it completely. And it's very unsafe to drive with the kids with a flat tire. So I just picked up his cake and I managed to get like a few gifts for him, because I haven't bought his birthday present. He selected the gifts he wanted, so I bought it for him, and then we came straight home. So I didn't go to Party City to buy balloons or decorations or anything, but hopefully their dad will be able to get it when they're on their way back. I'm talking in a very low tone because the kids are sleeping behind there. So anyway, I just wanted to give a little bit quick update. I was stressed, that was why I didn't vlog with the whole tire situation, but today is MK's birthday, so we're going to keep it positive. We're not going to let anything stop us from enjoying today. Anyway, thank God, now that they're sleeping, let me use this opportunity to clean up the house. And then, yeah, I'm not going to vlog cleaning the house because it's very repetitive. You guys have seen me doing it before in one of my vlogs. If you haven't, I will link it somewhere up here so you can quickly go watch that. But yeah, I'll see you when we are ready to party. Hi, so we're already partying. I managed to put up some decoration for MK. This is the food, but the kids will not let my decoration have peace, so they've scattered the balloon arrangement that I made even before taking pictures. But I'm going to just still take the pictures like that because, you know, it's a kids party, they're having fun. So yeah, just a little bit of an update. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear MK. Happy birthday to you. Hip, 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 hooray! Good job! Okay, now cut the cake. Time for you to cut it. 1, 2, 3! Yay! Good job, MK. MK is 4. get for your birthday yesterday?
And cake.
Cake, what else?
And balloons.
Balloons, what else?
And present.
Your presents?
Yeah.
What did you get for your presents?
And fire truck.
Fire truck, what else?
Drum truck.
Dump truck, what else?
And dinosaur.
Dinosaur collection, because you got a lot of dinosaurs.
Yes.
So, what else?
And plane.
Did you get new clothes?
Yes.
And that nice caterpillar over there, are you still playing with them?
Yes.
Did you have so much fun?
Yes.
Do you like your birthday?
Yes.
How old are you now?
And 4.
You're 4 years old?
Yes.
And did you play with your best friend?
Yes.
What's your best friend's name?
Toby.
Toby? Okay. Do you want to say thank you to mommy and daddy?
Yeah.
So I say thank you.
Thank you, mommy and daddy.
You're welcome. Sky,
Yeah.
did you have fun? You say And Snow is over here. Snow, did you have fun yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the morning after the party. Just wanted to do a quick outro. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you everybody that has sent MK their prayers and their well wishes. We really do appreciate it. Please feel free to watch all the videos. I'll be linked somewhere here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so each time I upload a video you get notified. And again, thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.